Industrial generator installation. This document provides a comprehensive guide to the installation of industrial generators, covering essential considerations, steps, and best practices to ensure a successful setup. Industrial generators are critical for providing backup power in various applications, including manufacturing, healthcare, and data centers. Proper installation is vital for optimal performance, safety, and compliance with regulations. 1. Planning and preparation. 1.1 Site assessment. Before installation, conduct a thorough site assessment to determine the best location for the generator. Consider factors such as accessibility, proximity to fuel sources, and potential environmental impacts. 1.2 Load analysis. Perform a load analysis to determine the power requirements of the facility. This will help in selecting the appropriate generator size and capacity. 1.3 Permits and regulations. Check local regulations and obtain necessary permits for installation. Compliance with zoning laws, environmental regulations, and safety codes is crucial. 2. Generator selection. 2.1 Types of generators. Choose the right type of generator based on your needs. Options include diesel, natural gas, and propane generators, each with its advantages and disadvantages. 2.2 Sizing the generator. Select a generator that can handle the peak load requirements while allowing for future expansion. It's advisable to consult with a professional for accurate sizing. 3. Installation process. 3.1 Site preparation. Prepare the installation site by clearing debris, leveling the ground, and ensuring proper drainage. A concrete pad may be required for stability. 3.2 Electrical connections. Install the necessary electrical connections, including transfer switches and circuit breakers. Ensure that all wiring meets local electrical codes. 3.3 Fuel supply setup. Set up the fuel supply system, ensuring that it is safe and compliant with regulations. This may involve installing fuel tanks and piping. 3.4 Exhaust and ventilation. Install exhaust systems to safely vent emissions away from the generator. Adequate ventilation is essential to prevent overheating. 4. Testing and commissioning. 4.1 Initial testing. Conduct initial testing to ensure that the generator operates correctly under load conditions. Check for any leaks, unusual noises, or vibrations. 4.2 Load bank testing. Perform load bank testing to simulate real-world conditions and verify that the generator can handle its rated capacity. 4.3 Final inspection. Complete a final inspection to ensure all components are installed correctly and safely. Document all findings and make any necessary adjustments. 5. Maintenance and support. 5.1 Regular maintenance. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep the generator in optimal condition. This includes oil changes, filter replacements, and system checks. 5.2 Emergency support. Ensure that emergency support is available in case of generator failure. This may involve training staff or contracting with a service provider. Conclusion. The installation of industrial generators is a critical process that requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing maintenance. By following the guidelines outlined in this document, organizations can ensure reliable power supply and enhance operational resilience.